Hi everyone, my name is Carly Challen and welcome to my channel. So today I am playing with piggies, so these little piggy pigments from sheleeart Co. Now I'm fairly new to these products. They are amazing. They leave gorgeous shimmers on the pieces, but I'm new at it, so I'm trying to still get to know how the different colors behave on their own and how they tend to react with one another. So in this piece, the grenache, which is the first layer, that deep red layer that you can see in the background, I was expecting that it would be a lot more prominent in the piece once it was done, but it came out a little bit washed out. The colors came out a bit washed out, although you can still see it when you tilt it on different angles, etc. But wasn't quite what I was expecting. But in saying that, the piece was really nice. It was really nice peachy color. Something very different for me. I tend to like the blues a lot more. But as I said, something different, and still getting to know these products effectively. So I'm going to try this piece again, the grenache anyway, on a darker background. So I think that would it would show up a lot more. So look out for that next video with grenache on a black background, most likely. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and stay till the end and you'll be able to see the finished piece in the light, where you can see the glorious shimmers of these little piggies. So I hope you enjoy and see you next time.